We need yeast. I got new yeast because I'm actually out of yeast packets, so we got this. I really don't like how many C's are in the I know you meant to say word focaccia, but Ford focaccia. No, I can't cry laughing this early in the day. Sack of potatoes, thank you so much for subscribing. That's very kind of you. How are you doing? Come in, come in, come in. You see, a Ford focaccia does actually sound like a real car. Pigeon, go enjoy your nap. Have a good L1. It's like, yeah, I got a Ford focaccia. That's what the F stands for in F-150. It's focaccia. It's a Ford focaccia 150. It means you get 150 loaves of focaccia when you get the Ford F-150. Okay, I gotta stop. We need to do this. Like, I actually need, this is one thing today that I need to do kind of in the time I'm planning to do it, because otherwise we'll never get it done. All right, I got the flour. I need salt. That's not salt, but I'm getting it. We have the little crunchy salt. Where's the little crunchy? Where is the crunchy salt? Where is it? Oh, is it at the back? Come back. Oh, it's not. Where's my crunchy salt? Oh, there's me crunchy salt. Thorin this side, hello and welcome. I like the chaos to this. Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. How are you doing, Thorin? I hope you're having a good day today. And Dejani, hello. Long time no see. How's things? Come in, come in, come in. All right, I got the, I forgot the normal salt. Wait, the normal salt's here. Whoop. Olive oil, salt, crunchy salt. Rosemary, I do have, but I only have dried rosemary. I could not find fresh rosemary. I couldn't even find a rosemary plant anywhere, so. Who's chef? He's a friend. He is a friend today. Cake, what do I do with such sign up or else sites is getting a disposable mail then printed inside with PD? Wait, what? What do I do with such sign up or else sites if is getting a disposable mail? Oh, I see what you mean. Sorry, it took me a minute to process what you were saying. See, I just didn't want to make everyone else have to do it. That's all it was. Like, I wouldn't mind doing it once myself, but having everyone else have to sign up to get a recipe, no, I don't want to put everyone through that. Okay, we have some dried rosemary. It's not the same, but it'll do. And we're going to be putting tomatoes on this. Now the tomatoes are, I actually should take the tomatoes and stuff out of the fridge because I put them in there to kind of keep them fresh. Vegetables have been going off really, really quickly lately, and I'm always worried about stuff just going bad in like a day and a half. So we got all of that. Yes, that's everything. I'll wash my hands once more just to be sure, because I'm going to put my hands all in there, all around town. You know. We have a ton of rosemary in our garden. Should I cut off some and mail it? Yeah, just give me the whole thing. I had a lovely rosemary plant and it dropped dead one day. This might have been around the same time that my little, it might have been the same time that my bonsai dropped dead. It could have been that. It could have been that. All right. Okay, so I'm going to get the little measuring jug because we need a little bit of warm-ish water. We need warm-ish water. So I'm gonna pop a little bit in here. I'm gonna put a little bit from the kettle. Actually, I'll do this first. Yeah, mealy bugs, that was it. I couldn't remember what they're called. Mealy bugs are the bane of my existence. They really are. They destroyed that poor little tree. Goka, we'll see you soon and be good to your good self. And we'll catch you when we catch you, all right? Is this cold water? Is this cold water? Ah, it's cold enough, that'll do. That's kind of lukewarm. We can always pop in a little bit of extra water from the kettle if we need, so, you know. I've got a bunch of herbs growing. It's nice to walk out and grab a handful. It sounds nice, honestly. I would love to have a little herb garden. That's the dream. Right, big bowl. Yes, I'll use this big bowl. I have a bigger bowl that I'm going to put it in to prove. This stupidly big bowl is now the proving bowl. And that's all it does. It holds things to have them prove in there. Prove yourself.